What else does it tell you? Yeah. Okay, yes. Whether there is a minimum or maximum, meaning does it open up or down? Meaning, is there going to be a maximum? If it's a maximum, that's going to be opening downward. If it's a minimum, it'll be opening upward. Yes? Yes, for A. So it determines how wide or narrow your parabola is. And then also, does the parabola open upward or downward? Okay, how about H? What does H help us do? Excuse me, yes. H determines how far to the left or right the parabola goes, or the parabola is. Okay, and how about K? Okay, do you all agree with that? For K, how far up or down? All right. Determines how far up or down the parabola is. Okay. Any questions about those three? So remember, A is the coefficient out in front, how wide or narrow it is, and also is it opening upward or downward. If it's negative, it's going to open downward. The larger the digit, whether it's positive or negative, means it's going to be more narrow. The closer you are to 1, or actually even 0, the more wide it's going to be. So fractions, if that's your coefficient, are very wide. For H, determines how far to the left or to the right. We think of horizontal. H, horizontal, going left or right. And K, how far up or down. We think of, remember what we, yes, it is vertical, but K for kangaroo. Kangaroos jump up and down. So think about that. Or if that doesn't work, don't worry about it. All right. Yes. Question? Oh. All right. So let's go to number 1 on that page. Which of these parameters, A, H, or K, affects the range? The range of the parabolic function. Well, first of all, you have to remember what a range is. Does anybody remember the key word that goes with range? There were 2 words. There's something and range. Yes, domain and range. What's domain have to do with? Say it again. The x's. Yes, the x's. So range has to do with your y value. So the range has to do kind of with your y values. So which of these parameters affects the range of the parabolic functions? Is it A, H, or K? Yes, it is K. So the K parameter I can spell, affects the range by determining up and down. How far you go up and down. Because if your k value is 4, that is going to move everything up 4. Okay? If your k value is -6, that's going to move that whole parabola down 6. Okay? All right. Number 2 says the equation y equals 1 times quantity x minus 0 quantity squared plus 0 is considered the parent function. The parent function for a vertical parabola. Find 5 points on the graph, any 5, and list them on your page. So the equation y equals 1 times quantity x minus 0 squared plus 0 is considered the parent function for a vertical parabola. Sometimes it's written much simpler as y equals x squared, okay, because it simplifies to that. Find 5 points on the graph, any 5, and list them on your page. Okay. So if I take this out, it's going to